That covers the entire process of using the Ultimate Ads plugin to put Admob ads into your game and building for Android devices. The APKs that we created are ready to be installed on users' devices, running live ads, and they are ready to be uploaded to the Play Store. Let's do a quick recap of everything we've covered in this series. First, we added the Ultimate Ads plugin to our project so that we could easily insert Admob ads into our game. Then we added a banner ad to our title screen, an interstitial ad that is shown every time the player dies, and a rewarded video that allows you to reward the user for watching it to completion. Then we covered the process of getting Admob ads set up, generating the IDs we need to put live ads in our game. After that, we took a look at exporting our game using Cordova for both Construct 2 and Construct 3. Finally, we covered how to build our project for mobile using both Phonegap and Cocoon. I hope this series has helped you to learn more about Construct and using the Ultimate Ads plugin to get Admob ads in your games. If you found this series useful, please subscribe for more content and follow me on Twitter at TodaysTuts. If you want to help me create more content, please consider supporting me on Patreon. For $1 a month, you'll get early access to all new videos, and you'll help me keep this channel active. Thanks for watching. See you next time.